I'm super excited because we're going out to Barossa GoKarting Club and we're going to race against a former Formula 1 driver, Bruno Senna, who's also a pilot for Airspeeder. First we've got to get up there, so let me show you. So we're here with Anthony Ormsby, state champion for the go-karting. What are your tips there?
Hold it flat and don't come off.
Nice.
In and out of the go-kart anymore these days.
Mr. Bruno, what's your hot tips?
You know, go fast, don't crash, be consistent. That's my hot tip for you.
Okay,
Easy.
cool. Love it.
Hey Lexi, excited?
Kick ass take names.
Yes.
Kick names, take ass.
Track.
Yeah.
Short, but it's got lots of little technical corners. Just find the limits before you go do it.
Yeah.
Obviously.
4 tires.
Yeah, correct. About lap 3, lap 4 is in when they're about to.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is important. In the first few laps, you don't have any, it doesn't have much grip. As soon as you go faster, the tires get temperature and you get more grip. So don't push too hard in the first few laps, just try to build it up.
I can beat Lexi for sure. We can beat Bruno too.
Yeah, it is heavy.
May go your troubles gone. Long live love, love and sunshine. Long live love, love, love. Gonna go down to Georgia, maybe Memphis Blue. Gonna tell you mom, tell you pop too. We're gonna go down to Georgia. Long live love, love and sunshine. Long live love, love and sunshine. May go your troubles. Long live love, love and sunshine. Long, long, long. At night, lights were shining like the sun. So sad you're feeling the healing has begun. The highway's always better at night. Sure, come with me. It's gonna be alright. We're going south town. We're going south town. May go your troubles long live love, love and sunshine. Long live love. Gonna walk down to Georgia. Maybe Memphis Blue.
Huh? Look, I never get this when I'm flying.
I think I had
That's a
this
good fun.
when you stopped in front of me.
Yeah, it's fantastic.
You just started spinning.
Bounce more and more towards the end.
Oh my god, once he spinned just in front of me and I hit the brake so hard I started spinning
She went around too.
And I just turned the other way and I see Bruno being there like...
It was like Super Mario Kart. We both went over bananas like, woo.
Yeah, it felt like it's like a banana in Mario Kart.
We had a run with Anthony, the state champion. Far out, that guy's quick and smooth. Like I didn't even see him. He was just
So I think it
gone.
was him versus Bruno and you versus me.
Yeah.
It wasn't really us versus everyone, it was just us.
Hey, but get them up in the air and we'll flog them.
Yeah, exactly.
These aren't as quick as drones, obviously. They're quite slow and they don't, it's
You
just
don't
different.
sweat that much
You don't
with drones?
Yeah, you don't feel anything.
Yes.
You're sort of just experiencing it in the mind's eye, and you put yourself there, but you don't feel it. So
yeah, and you don't really need to use any strength. You're just doing everything with your hands. So I think for me, it's the biggest problem that I'm physically just not able to turn it anymore. On drones, it won't happen. So I can just do.
well, we'll
And
see.
everyone has bumps.
When we get up in the air, this might be a good analogy where it's like it's going to be really physical, and it's like
Oh yeah.
kick up the bum. I've got to start working out. Oh.
I've been working out for a while.
You've
so
been
you're
working
behind.
out. It didn't help
You're
very much,
behind.
did it?
No, it didn't.
An amazing day. Wow, they're really fast and physical. I can't believe how much we're getting thrown around, how much it took to turn and hold it onto the road. Unreal. The opportunity to race against the state champion and a Formula One driver at the same day. Wow.